You're bidding on a Weatherhead coila crimp. It's a Model T400 crimper for hydraulic hose and whatever else hose you're going to need crimping. You want to go ahead and this is fully functional. Okay, that's good, thank you. As you can tell, it doesn't have much use on it because the paint's not even worn off on the ram. They've put some tape over, masking tape, that'll come off. Pretty nice unit. They had it on a mobile cart. This part here, pretty substantial. If you don't want it, we can take that off and it'll probably save you 50 pounds on shipping there if that's what you want. There's the 110 volt pump assembly. Very nice looking unit. It comes with the 5 dies, quarter, half, 3/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. And these 4 rings. I'll have part numbers listed. We took this off a mobile cart. It's a bankrupt assets of a shop that went out of business, and they took the cart, so we don't have the cart. These bottoms slots here are for those pressing rings, and these, let me take this out of the way, pretty nice. They made this with hinges. That's for the crimping dies. If you don't want this unit here, that's about another 50 pounds. So if you don't want this or that metal stand, you'd save about $100 on shipping, but we have pretty decent shipping rates, so it's up to you. This is what it is. Very nice unit, very little use. Good luck bidding.